Paid for, all yours.
All yours.
Oh, beautiful.
We got her.
Put your stuff in the back.
That's yours.
Oh, mine.
Favorite color and everything. I told you we'd get you a car. Now you can, whatever you was gonna do with that Saturday, keep the money, alright?
Here, Bear.
You ain't got nothing to worry about. So the register here. So now that we got all the tears in the way. You said at 16, you got me a new car.
It's yours.
At 16, you say you're gonna give me your next new car. It is red. Look at it. It all add up.
Kind of with yours too. Got to say, yeah.
I'm looking nice riding this. Putting your own mind.
You, nigga, where my keys at?
The register's here. The place will be sent to your house. I was getting her next car.
That's what she told you?
I'm paying for it. It's all yours.
You gotta learn how to drive first.
It will be on there when you get your car. There's the keys. You got push button to start. You got the power seats. You can move. You don't have to deal with that no more. You got seats on your sides. Move back and forth. The lights are out of.
Hey,
Brandon, why you?
14
how you feel? I'm gonna do this.
How long has it been since you had a car that had 14 miles on it?
Brand new car.
14 miles.
Sunroof.
I mean, we did have to drive, you know.
I ain't gonna lie. Everything
We had to test it.
Well, you had to get it over here.
We had to test it.
It's all taken care of. The place will be next week. And,
Plates.
so you want to hear a funny story since you're here? You remember when your oldest grandson asked you to see your driver's license to see if it was new?
No.
Yeah, you ain't got no driver's license? Yeah. He snapped a picture of it so I could get you this car.
Say it again.
Aaron don't know nothing, CJ.
Hey, say it again.
Look, CJ calls me.
Say it
This
again.
is the story. CJ
Oh,
calls me.
I called. I was gonna have you do it.
Yeah, he said,
I'm gonna have you do
have
it.
Uncle take the
I was gonna have you take
license out
the
of Mama's
license out